Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check out the Dermstore Body Edit Pack. If you are not familiar with Dermstore, they're actually the company that puts out the Beauty Fix subscription box. But they are so much more than the subscription. They have so many skincare, hair care, body care, everything, one-stop shop. So they also put together different edits. Now this is the body edit. This was $50. It came in this bag. It's a very nice bag, but it's supposed to have a $234 value. So excellent value. It's been a while since I ordered this. I actually forgot now, except for one of the two of the things that's in here. So I'm going to show you what's in here, but it is a corner zip little bag, and it says Dermstore, and it's got a double zipper, so you could make the zip at the top. It's actually a very nice, even the zippers say Dermstore. So it's a nice, it's obviously just pleather, faux leather bag, but let's see what's inside. Oh, it's full. Oh, this is a gorgeous bag. This bag is satin lined with pockets and a center pocket. Oh my goodness, this is excellent. I love this. Before we get into that bag, I have two things that Krista actually ordered in addition to my sister placed the order, and she added some extra stuff to the order. So she got a Peter Thomas Roth Patch and Go eye patch travel pack, and she got an Oribe, I always forget how you say that, fragrance sample. So this has different perfumes that Oribe has available. I am not going to sample this because, again, my sister ordered this. So I'm going to let her do that, but it's just a little sample fragrance set. If I can get from her what she paid for these, I'll put it here in the corner, but these were just added on to the order. These are not part of the edit, but I wanted to show you what she got. Okay, the first thing is kind of a big one. Ooh, that's, I don't know. Oh, okay, so this is a Maison Louis Marie number 13 perfume. I actually have, oh, it's a sealed shut. Oh, I'm going to show you a picture of it because I got this not for me to use, so I'm not going to open it, because I have the same perfume in an oil, perfume oil. So I'm going to leave this sealed, but this is the Eau de Parfum 50 ml. So this is the full size. Oh gosh, I forget how much it is. I'll put in the corner what the value of this is, but this is the bulk value of the box, right, or the edit right here for this perfume. So this is the 1.7 ounce 50 ml of the Maison Louis Marie number 13. And I'll put the fragrance notes, but it's a wonderful, to me it smells coconutty, vacationy. It's the one I like to use when I'm going on vacation because it just has that vibe, but I really like it. Oh, it actually has the notes. Okay, if I can read the tiny print. I literally can't. It's tiny little, let's see if I can put it up where you can read it. Oh, I can read it now a little bit. But those are the fragrance notes. It's backwards or I would read it. But the coconut, it does have coconut in there, which is why it smells coconutty. The top notes are coconut, and I cannot read all those words, but those are the fragrance notes of this, and it does smell amazing. But again, I already have this one, so I'm going to let this one go to somebody else, but this is a wonderful first item in this box. Okay, the next thing we have in here is a Grown Alchemist, and this is a hand cream. So we got a Grown Alchemist, and this is a 12 ml, so this is almost a half an ounce. And it's just a purse-sized little hand cream from Grown Alchemist. This would be a deluxe travel size. It's not a full size, but it is a great one for throwing in your purse and having a little hand cream. So that is one of our other products. As we go through, I will put in the corner what the full-size versions are, so we can find out, did we really get $234 value in our box? So if this is a size that's sold, I'll 100% put that in, but otherwise I'll put the value in the corner of what the full size would be. Okay, there's more. The next, Gardenia NT One Love Organics, and this is, ooh, an antioxidant body serum. Ooh, interesting. Oh, it's a spray. Oh, I love that. So, because, you know, if it's for your body, you don't have to, you can just spray it on instead of having to spread around a serum. But, ooh, nice. And this is Gardenia NT Antioxidant Body Serum from One Love. This should be a full size. I'll put in the corner here what the value is for that one. As we are going through this box, I do have a favor to ask you guys. Over the summer months, was just too busy to keep up with as many videos as I had been doing. And that caused me to really fall off of the YouTube radar. They're not putting my videos out there to be viewed, or I'm way off the YouTube algorithm. I'm trying really hard to build that back up again and put out videos more consistently and more variety for you guys. So if you do like my videos, or like this video in particular, hit like. If you haven't yet, I would love for you to hit subscribe. But leave me a comment. Just say hi, Beth, anything in the comments. I will respond to everybody. I appreciate that. That'll help kind of kickstart me back into the YouTube algorithm, hopefully. Then we can get more videos out for you guys as well. So this was our third item in our box. There's more. Okay, next we have an Avène. It's a lot of different languages. This is thermal spring water for sensitive skin. So I'm not sure why you need thermal. I'm trying to get where you can see. Why we need thermal water for our skin. I was thinking, is this a thermal heat protector? But this is for our skin. This one soothes, rebalances, and calms. This is a 50 ml, so about 1.5 ounces. Well, almost 2 ounces. Next we have from Kai. This is body lotion in Rose. So this is, oh, that glare is terrible. This is a body lotion. This should be full size. This is 8 ounces. So we have 8 ounces of the Kai Rose body lotion. And it says it is okay, I can't read again from the back of it, but that's what the back says about the product. Oops, there we go. Get you in focus. So you can read what this one will do for you, but it is a body lotion, so it should be really nice. From Kai by Gay Straza. So this is Kai by Gay Straza, and this is one of our, I think it might be the last one, but now I can show you the inside of this bag a little better. Look at how big this is. This is ginormous. It does fold up into a probably 6-inch square by at least 10 inches. So really nice. And the satin inside is gorgeous. It does have this center zip pocket. Oops, the zipper is broken. There we go. The zipper was a little broken on this one, but I got it fixed. But we have a center zip pocket. This is the bag that just came with the product. So this bag may be considered part of the value. I'll see if we hit $234 without this, or if this was just bonus with it. But this was a great one. This cost $50, $234 value. So this is a great one. You can see the products before you buy them. There's a hair edit, there's a body edit, there's there's a skin edit as well. And there are different prices and different value ranges, but it gives you a great opportunity to pick up some really great products to try them for not nearly the retail cost of them. So again, I'm going to unzip my little bag. And that zipper is actually really nice. It's an easy zipper. So we're going to put our stuff back in here. We got our Kai body lotion. We got our One Love body serum. We got our thermal calming spray. We got our Grown Alchemist hand cream. And we got our Maison Louis Marie full-size ginormous perfume, and it is gorgeous. Love that one. So this was a great option to try out some things and get that perfume. You guys would be an exceptional gift for anybody for Christmas this year, and it's well more than the $50 for this bag by itself. So consider these bags as gifts for Christmas, birthday, anything, anybody you know who loves a good skincare product. This is a great bundle for them. And you can add on once you got your order going. I'm sure she didn't pay any extra shipping for these. She just purchased these, and I will have already shown you the cost of these in the corner. But love it. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you did, please hit like, hit subscribe, and don't forget to hit notifications so you don't miss out on future uploads. But for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.